Hello everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and we are here at our See It Now property tour at 154 Schores Lane, Kenray Lake, Bedford, Indiana. Take a look at this spectacular second story overlook cozy porch. It is absolutely gorgeous. Our home is very woodsy and has a nice cabin feel. Come on in and take a look. The first thing that's going to stand out to you is the beautiful knotty pine ceilings and walls that are throughout this gorgeous home. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and you have about 1,700 square feet, beautifully laid out. This is our upstairs living room. Very nice, lots of beautiful windows. Very open, but yet you're not sitting in your chair or couch and looking at your dirty dishes. So nice flow though, but not totally open concept. And in here we have one of our bedrooms. Again, we have that gorgeous, rustic, beautiful, rich wood tone walls, nice big closet spaces, and 2 windows for lots of light. Really nice storage in this home, lots of storage, and it has that Tennessee feel right here in Indiana with the beautiful woods, tones, and then that drywall speckled throughout. So you can make it a nice color palette, whatever works for you. So through here, we have our upstairs bathroom. There is a full bathroom, both upstairs and downstairs. So we have that tub and a really nice space in there. And then we'll go to our second upstairs bedroom, which is also lovely. Again, you've got that drywall so you can personalize your colors, which these colors are super happy and cheery. And nice big space. Again, 2 windows in this room, so it gives you lots of natural light coming in. And for a home with this much wood, it's really light and bright and airy. There's not that dark feeling that you sometimes get from other properties that have a lot of wood tone. Spacious kitchen and dining room. You could set this up for a little coffee bar. You know, I love those coffee bars. And you have plenty of counter space, gorgeous cabinets. Again, a nice big beautiful window. And let's go take a look at one of our favorite places in this home. You can just leave this door wide open and enjoy the fresh air that you have while you're sitting out on your completely screened in porch, so you don't have any of those little pesky bugs bothering you. Beautiful backyard and a sweet little shed over to the side. They also have a separate fenced area, so if you wanted to have a certain dog or even chickens or bunnies or something along those lines out here. Again, super nice backyard, big detached garage, which we'll take a look at in a moment, but it's so nice out here. Nice and peaceful. You really do feel like you're on vacation living in this home. I mean, I can just imagine waking up and having some coffee in the morning and cinnamon rolls and just taking a little more time to enjoy the day. And then heading over to your boat ramp and going out on the lake for the day. And this home does have lake access as part of the amenities that come along with it. Again, Kenray Lake here in beautiful Bedford, Indiana, southern Indiana. So if you like to fish or you want to go kayaking, it's a great place to live. Now downstairs, again, we have this gorgeous wood flanking the stairs, so pretty. Down here we have 2 additional bedrooms and a super awesome walkout family room. So if you were wanting to make this a kind of a more relaxing space. You could put a big TV there, a huge sectional here, and really have lots of hangout space. Again, super bright and airy. Even though we are in the lower level, it is absolutely beautiful. So over here, this seller is using this as kind of a little concessions room, if you will, or a snack room. I love a good snack room, but it would also make a great home office or place if you just needed to have additional storage. Could be a little guest space if you wanted a day bed just for nap time or someone who's coming and going. So even though we have the 4 bedrooms, we do have this additional space. And then through here, we have our laundry room. I like that the laundry's on the lower level because if you do have guests or you want to use this as kind of a vacation retreat, everyone has access to this, so that's really nice. And then you just close it right off and you don't have to listen to the washing machine. And through here, we have our second full bathroom. So come on in and take a look. Super sweet space, very cheery and bright. Nice big shower. And then on in here, we have bedroom number 3. And we do have, again, even though this is lower level, it's above grade. So it is truly a 3rd bedroom. Nice big closet, but they've kind of tucked this bed away to make it feel like a little more of a sleeping cove, which I love. So come on in. We'll go this way. We're going to go in through the family room, which leads to bedroom number 4. So I love that this home has a great layout, so the bedrooms are a little bit separated and gives you a little more privacy. Super cute little play nook under the stairs. I mean, gosh, look at that. That's adorable. A little chalkboard, a future teacher right there. So here we have bedroom number 4. Has nice wall color. Again, beautiful trim all around and these pretty window sills. So spacious. Your guests or your kiddos will have a nice full closet. So lots of storage in this home. And then we'll go on this way and take a look at your lower level. Again, it's still just, you know, grade level. It's definitely not basement. So nice and bright. And this kitty, what is it with our cats in our videos these days? But you can see that this seller, they really know how to relax with these really awesome, relaxing, swinging chairs. But beautiful porches on the front, gorgeous screened-in porch on the back. You have this 2-car garage, big enough for a boat, as you can see. But stunning front yard. Lots and lots of charm and beautiful wood tones. And if you're looking for a place to relax, call home, or even a second home, maybe someplace you could just hop away from the city and get here for the weekends, give us a call to take a look at this beautiful home, and we will get you right in. Bye.